Are you tired of getting ash in your face?
I'm tired of getting ash in my face.
Are you tired of these subpar fire pokes that come with the fire pits?
I'm tired of getting smoke in my face. There must be a better way.
Well, good news. There is. The Blowpoke Grabber by Ecophage. Available on Etsy. With the Blowpoke Grabber's finger grabber, you can pick up small logs and even big logs. Even logs on fire.
It is not recommended that you pick up things on fire.
And with it, you can practically breathe fire. The Blowpoke Grabber by Ecophage. Available on Etsy.
Ecofashion is not responsible for any please or safety costs. Use the law. Current dead and life.